Hi everyone, I'm Harshu and welcome back to my channel Food by Harshu. In this video, we'll learn how to make soya kebabs. It's super healthy even for kids. So let's get started. First we'll see what are the ingredients. So here I've taken 2 cups of soya chunks. You can take any brand. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1 teaspoon chaat masala. 1 teaspoon black salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, 3 cloves garlic chopped, 1 inch ginger chopped, 5 to 6 mint leaves, 1 chopped onion, half cup coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon ghee, half teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, and half teaspoon jeera powder, oil. And we are also making a chutney for kebabs, so let's see the ingredients for that. For chutney we need 1 cup of coriander leaf, 1/4 cup of mint leaf, half teaspoon jeera powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, 2 cloves garlic chopped, 1 teaspoon curd, half teaspoon black salt, and 2 green chili. So first we have to soak the soya chunks in hot water, minimum 30 minutes. You can soak them more than that, or maybe you can soak them overnight. Keep this aside. Meanwhile, let's make the chutney for kebab. Now in a blender, I'm taking 1 cup of coriander leaf, 2 green chilies. You can add more green chilies if you want more spicy. Now add 1/4 teaspoon jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon chaat masala, and 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 2 cloves garlic, some mint leaf, and 1 teaspoon curd. Make a smooth paste and add water as required. Keep it aside. Now I'm going to use the same blender for grinding the soya chunks. That's why I made chutney before. Squeeze all the excess water. We don't want any water in this. Now let's add all the dry ingredients. 5 to 6 mint leaves, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon garam masala, black salt and jeera powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder and salt to taste, 3 cloves garlic. I'm adding a chopped one, 1 inch ginger chopped, half onion freshly chopped. You can add 1 onion also. Now blend everything well together. And transfer it to a big bowl so we can mold it. Now check if it's very watery, then you have to add the breadcrumbs. After that, I'm adding half cup of coriander leaves and half teaspoon red chili powder. I like the red color on the top. Adding some more black pepper powder and half teaspoon ghee. It will give you more good flavor. Now check the mixture. If it's easy to mold like a dough and non-sticky, then it's fine, or you have to add more breadcrumbs. Now I'm using a ice cream sticks for shaping this. You can use a normal kebab sticks, but if you're making this for kids, the ice cream shape kebabs looks really cool and they'll be very interested to eat. Now make kebabs into ice cream shape. Press it with hands. You can also use breadcrumbs on top if you want. Make it very tight. Now keep this aside 10 to 15 minutes so it will set and will not break when we'll fry it. Now in a pan, take 3 tablespoons oil and slowly add kebabs. Now remember, do not deep fry it. It will surely break if you deep fry it. You just have to shallow fry it. Also keep the flame on a medium heat. After 4 to 5 minutes, flip them and check. Fry them golden brown both sides. If you want, you can cover them also. It will take around 15 minutes to cook them properly. Now they look cooked. Use paper towel to remove the excess oil. And that's it. Our kebabs are ready. Enjoy this mouth-watering kebabs with your favorite chutney or sauce. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you will be notified for all the videos. Thank you.